Hi, this is Scott from Specter Gear, and for today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to install the Buttstock Magazine Pouch onto your Ruger 1022 carbine. Now, there are two ways to purchase this Buttstock Magazine Pouch. You can purchase it as just the Buttstock Mag Pouch only with no rear adapter, and that'll be for those people that already own a Specter Gear 1022 sling, and they want to add this unit to their sling that they already own. But if you don't already have a Specter Gear sling, or you simply want to use this just as a standalone unit without a sling, we do have the other version which comes with the appropriate rear adapter that's going to be necessary to attach this to your carbine. Now, by default, if you purchase that particular unit, this will already be installed. But in either case, the actual Buttstock Magazine Pouch itself will be set up in right-handed shooter configuration so that it orients the pouch to the left or to the right side of the stock, and it leaves the left side of the stock open as a place to cheek up on the carbine. But if you purchase this as just the basic Buttstock Mag Pouch and you're attaching it to your sling, to attach it, you just simply open up this rear attachment strap by breaking the Velcro. And then you take your rear adapter from the sling that you already own, and you simply wrap around, and there's two parts here. We have a main strap and a cross strap. You're going to wrap around the cross strap on this side right here. Let me open this up so you can see this just a little bit better. So what we're going to do is wrap this around right up against this little joint right here, right up against the edge. Wrap that around and secure that, and that is all you need to do to get this attached to the rear adapter. Now I insert the tip just a little bit here so that it's wide open, and to put this on the carbine we're also going to need to fully open the front attachment strap. So let me go ahead and get the carbine in the right place without knocking everything over in the process. There we go. So all we're going to do to mount this unit onto the carbine is we're going to set the toe of the stock into the rear adapter, slide it forward, then we're going to pull it snug. Now on the other side, what we're going to do is, in order to secure this Velcro, this needs to be out of the way. All you're going to do is just simply fold it back out of the way, pull it nice and tight, and secure that Velcro. Pull this back forward again, and the rear portion is now secured. We're going to take that front strap now, run it around, run the tip through the loop and back to the other side. When we get over here, we're going to pull this nice and tight and secure the Velcro down. May take a couple of runs at it to get it exactly where you want it. Moving back to the other side, we get everything squared up. We'll go ahead and turn it around. And we've got everything right where we want it. And that's all there is to it for a right-handed application. Now, what if you're a left-handed person? Well, this is a totally ambidextrous unit, so if you're a left-handed person, let me show you that real quick. Go ahead and pop this open. Now, for a left-handed application, we're going to pop that loose. And all we're going to do to set this up for left-handed application is we're going to swap the positions of these two parts here. So to remove the rear attachment strap, just a firm tug should break the Velcro contact there. We're going to move that there. That's where it's going to end up going. You may need to get your thumbnail in, or something like a butter knife or something that's not terribly sharp that you can go in there and break that Velcro contact with. Pull that out, run it to the other slot, pull it in again, and a firm tug should get you where you need to be. You want this to be all the way forward, as far forward in this slot as possible. Same with the rear. Run that in, and then as far up against that edge as possible. Now, with the rear adapter, all we're simply going to do, I'll open this up so you can see this again, is we're now going to wrap around on the other side, right up against that joint edge there. Secure that down, put the tip through ever so slightly there, just the tip. Set the toe of the stock into the rear adapter, Pull this forward and secure the Velcro. Let's go over here and get this front strap through the loop. Pull that forward and secure that Velcro. Square everything up on the other side. Let me turn this around. And there we are, set up for a left-handed shooter application. And that is how to install the Buttstock Magazine Pouch on the Ruger 1022. So with that, I'll bring it to a close. Thank you for watching and or listening. This is Scott from Specter Gear. Have a wonderful day.